In this video, you'll learn how to create a free diet plan using Notion AI. By following these steps, you will be able to generate a personalized meal plan tailored to your dietary preferences and needs. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your web browser and enter notion.so in the address bar. This action will take you to the Notion homepage, where you can explore various features offered by the platform. Next, locate the option for Notion AI. On the homepage, look for a prominent link or section dedicated to Notion AI. Clicking this will direct you to the specific area where you can utilize artificial intelligence features for your planning needs. Once you are on the Notion AI page, find the prompt that says, "How can I help you today?" This is typically centered on the screen, inviting you to enter a request. Click on this prompt to initiate the interaction with their AI. After you click on the prompt, type in "Create Diet Meal Plan" in the text box that appears. This input signals to the AI what you would like assistance with. Ensure that your spelling is correct to avoid any misunderstandings. When you've entered your request, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action submits your request to the AI, starting the process of generating your meal plan. You may notice a brief loading indicator while the AI processes your input. At this stage, the AI will begin to generate the meal plan. This process may take some time, so patience is necessary. During this waiting period, you may see a progress bar or some form of notification indicating that the AI is working on your request. After the AI has completed generating your meal plan, you will need to click on the option labeled Private. This selection is typically found on the left side of the screen, allowing you to access your personalized content securely. Following that, find and click on Diet Meal Plan. This option will lead you to the specific meal plan that the AI has created for you. Ensure you are selecting the correct item to proceed with your personalized plan. You can now personalize the meal plan according to your preferences. Click on the meal plan to open it, where you can make adjustments as necessary to better fit your dietary needs and lifestyle. Once you've made your adjustments, follow the meal plan as instructed. This will help you stay on track with your dietary goals, ensuring that you are making progress towards your health objectives. Finally, click on a blank space within the Notion interface to save any changes you have made. This action will help you avoid accidental data loss and ensure that your personalized meal plan is stored correctly.